Hey from Silver Spring, Maryland. Today we are looking at this gorgeous mid-century modern home. If you are looking to find a home that you can truly make your own, this home has such great potential. It's beautiful and it's just waiting for its new owner. Special thanks to my colleague and fellow Weichert Realtor, Deborah Yonkers, for allowing me to tour her beautiful listing and to her clients as well. As you walk in, you can see you have the nice vaulted ceilings, lots of natural light. This brick fireplace goes from the floor to the ceiling. The textured walls. The wood floors were recently refinished, and I love the color that they chose here. This is your dining area, which is right off of your kitchen. Kitchen is open to the dining room. Keep in mind, this home is looking for someone that has some vision that can really make it shine. Now, I really love the details here. Where do you see switches like this nowadays? Like, it's really cool. I know you can buy some more modern ones like that, but just something I appreciate. There are 3 bedrooms. Bedroom number 1. Bedroom number 2. Here is your hall bathroom. And this is your primary bedroom. Primary bedroom does get its own bathroom. Once again, like when they built these homes, just the details like this really make it pop. All right, so 3 of the bedrooms are up there. We're going down to the lower level, you'll find a 4th. The home is listed at $649,000. It is a mile away from downtown Silver Spring, about a little less than a mile from the DC line off of 16th Street. So here we have like a recreation room. And what I really love about mid-century modern homes is the oversized windows, the dark paneling. So this is a great potential for someone to come make it their own. Here you have your laundry room. We all know laundry rooms can be a hit or miss, but you do get storage as well. A little more details about the home. The roof has been replaced fairly recently. All right, and here we're gonna step into the last bedroom, which is very large, has, once again, the gorgeous windows that goes from floor to ceiling. And here is the bedroom's bathroom. All right, let's step outside just so you can see the yard. So there's a little covered patio off the bedroom. What is your favorite architecture style? Mid-century modern is definitely my top 3, I'd say. So just curious to see what you guys think. And if you are interested in touring homes like this, feel free to reach out to me. Christian Gibbons, your local and favorite DMV Realtor. Once again, special thanks to my colleague, Deborah Yonkers, for allowing me to tour her beautiful listing. Waiting for its new owner to really come and make it shine once again. All right, grace and peace.